Hi guys, welcome to today's video on the channel. There is a new update on Pharos network. Guys, a lot of testnet tasks has been completed on this platform and we've made some video on how to claim the points daily basis, how to mint some NFT, how to swap and so many other things. But guys, a new update has just been released on this project, and this update came up July 24th. So here is the update and we're going to see this together. Testnet major upgrade. The first on-chain financial stake is live. So experience the future of TradeFi and DeFi with these compatible dApps: auto staking, Broke FX, Primus Lab, and lots more. So the native Bitget wallet faucet is flowing. Claim your daily 0.3 faucet daily. So here is the update. On this update, there is auto staking, Broke FX, Primus, Aquaflows, and Bitget wallet. So this and many more you're going to express on this platform. You can see that the interface has changed a bit. Then the design has been changed. Then you need to come back to this place and claim your daily check-in. If you miss out, just try as much as you can and claim your daily check-in. And we've made video on the swapping of a thing and lots more. But if you scroll down a bit, guys, there is this option that has just been introduced, which is going to help you in this video. So we're going to start with this first one here, where you see via social media accounts. You have a task completed. Then you also have tasks to complete on RWAFI, which is under task. Then you have staking, you have the Bitcoin bridge, then you have these so many tasks that you can complete here. So we try our best to complete some of these tasks in this video. Now the first we have to do is to come back to this via social media accounts. So you click on send button. Once you click on the send button, it comes out like this, that send crypto to anyone. So join the fund, send someone now. So you have to send small amount of your token to your friend on. So that might be a very good idea. So you can use my name on the send to it if you don't have friend on that. So the first you have to do is to connect your wallet. Click on this connect button. Then don't forget, use same wallet, guys. Use one wallet for this task. I'll connect my MetaMask because I've been connecting MetaMask on this platform. I want to see it again. Use the same wallet for this task. For all the tasks we have been doing on this platform, use the same wallet. So now it comes out like this. Click on next button. Click on connect. Make sure your wallet is connected. Now you're going to send a small amount of Pharos token 0.001. So I want to send this amount. So let me add this guy here at Crown JC. So then click on send button. Just wait a bit for this process to be completed through your account. So you can see it's still sending. Then it brings out the notification from the side or from your MetaMask or from any wallet you connected. And I'm using my MetaMask, so it's going to bring out from my MetaMask. So scroll down, then click on confirm. So that has been completed. You've just completed the first task. Just wait for the sending to be fully completed, and that is done. You've done that on this platform. You can see that this is completed now. All sent. You may choose to share your link and you may choose to close it. I want to close this. That has been completed. Now the next thing we have to do is to come over to this place and click on this button where you see RWFI, then click on deposit button. Once you click on the deposit button, you have access to this. You can see that hello 3 token. You have the home and other step 1, step 2, and step 3. So you have everything here. The first you have to do, guys, to come and connect your wallet. Click on this connect button, then select your wallet from what you have here. Make sure you use the same wallet. So I have to use my MetaMask. Click on MetaMask, then click on next, connect. Now that your wallet has been connected, then wait for it again to have access to the confirmation message that's going to come up on your wallet. Then click on sign in. You can as well do this on your mobile device using quick browser, message browser, or any other wallet that supports extension. Now scroll down a bit until you see this button. Complete the journey to learn more. Click on dive in now. This button. Once you click on that dive in, it comes out like this. Now you can see you have US Treasury, you have Growth Corporate Bond. You can choose any of these. So let's click for this one. When you click on this one, it gives you claim. Just wait a bit, guys, for this to be processed. Then scroll down, click on this confirm button. Then you see that token splitted successfully. That has been completed. So then go and click on this button that says activate shield. Just click on this button that says activate shield. Now click on it. When you click on it, it comes out like this. Save token. Then click. Is that you have collected all the 3 bricks. Then scroll down, click on this button. Once you click on that button, then it brings to this interface. You can see that the composition become a DeFi strategy master. Then here you see, go ahead and click on this craft strategy. Now here, don't do anything. Just click on confirm and craft. Just wait for it, guys, for this to be fully processed. And so as well, you need to have the message from your MetaMask or wallet connected. Click on confirm button. So you can see that strategy crafted successfully. Then click on this button, claim your reward. Once you click on claim your reward, it comes out like this. You can see that now claim your reward. Congratulations, journey completed. So you have to claim your reward. So click on this button, check token balance. So you can see that this has been completed, verification successful. Now that I've done that, click on this claim NFT button. And this one is processing. Just wait for it to keep processed. So it comes out from your MetaMask or wallet connected. Click confirm button. And don't forget that you need to use the same wallet you have been using in the beginning of this project so that you'll be able to meet all this process. Now you can see that NFT claimed successfully. Aqua Pioneer NFT. This NFT satisfy you as an early explorer of Aqua Flows. Don't forget that I've guided you on how to meet this NFT in one of our videos. So if you have not minted the NFT, go and watch that video and meet this NFT. So we've been able to complete this process. Now let's dive in and do the next one. The next one now is to stake. Go ahead and click on this stake button. Once you click on that button, bring to this interface. Go ahead and connect wallet. Make sure you use the same wallet you have been using all this while. MetaMask again. That is what you need to do, guys. Make sure you connect the same wallet. I want to say it again. Make sure you connect the same wallet for this project. Now tap on next. Tap on connect. So once you've connected, you have to wait a few seconds for it to be fully connected. Now you can see that another information is coming out from our MetaMask or any wallet you are connecting. So you have to verify that information to gain access or full access to this website. Now scroll down, click on sign in. So now that I've done that, you've connected to this platform. Then you see this button here, Artificial Intelligence. Make sure you click on this AI button. Once you click on this button, wait a few seconds. Let's say up to 30 seconds and you have all these tokens comes up here. That is what you are to do right away. Now that I've done that, you see that you have some token here, USDT and lots more. Then click on this apply button. Then click on next button, click on approve button. So wait a few seconds for this to be fully completed. Then a sign-in message will come up again. Click on next button. Click on this next button, click on approve. Just follow this process, guys, to connect your wallet to this website. As much as bring out all the connection process, just follow the screen process. On the screen process guide to connect your wallet to the platform. Then that one will come out. Click on confirm button. Now once you've completed all these tasks, then you see that the check button comes out here, then you have access to this completed button. So with this, it shows you've completed all the process in this part of the project. Now you can see, so everything has been completed here. Then go ahead and click on this password button. Once you have done that, then you can see that you have to claim this. So come over and claim this 500 mock USD. So I've claimed it. That is why you see that I need to come over to this place in the next 24 hours to claim it. So if you have not claimed it, click on this button, then click on this claim button to claim this 500 mock USD token, and follow the scripted guys to claim it in your wallet. So that's all, guys, for today, and I will try as much as I can to get you on how to complete this Bitcoin bridge process and the rest in an upcoming video about this project. So if you enjoy what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this. See you soon, guys, on our next video.